Into yokuthi wena njalo ufuna ukuhlala unotiswa. I have to be noticed ukuthi ngenza into so. I have to be seen ukuthi mina ngenza into so. And at the same time, there's nothing wrong with that. But at the same time, you try and cover imisebenzi yabanye abantu that they are doing. And by so doing, you are at the same time trying to destroy their path. That person has their own goal, but you feel guti, ay lo, uzengam. What gives you leonto leyo guti wena uzofinyelele at the point where you feel guti a person is there trying to outshine you? Is it all not in your mind? How many people have actually stopped talking to each other because the other person just created something engekho within their heads and actually believed it to be true? Not everybody's out there to get you. Not everybody's out there to destroy you or take over whatever it is that you're pursuing. Some people are just genuinely doing what they feel they have to do in order to get by. How many lives are you destroying once you actually decide ukuthi wena you can take that person down? How many mouths are those people feeding? Or are you the only person who feels ukuthi you have abantu to take care of? When you actually get to a point where another person has to let go of something so that they can have peace because of when, do you remain with peace within you? We plot against each other so much, all because of envying that the other person is noticed more than you. The other person is getting more attention more than you. The other person is now learning lo msebenzi wena that you feel ukuthi you are better at it. And you fear that they might eventually take over what you're doing. Life is a challenge. Why not accept the challenge? Can we just take everything as it comes when it comes to this person is here for themselves? They're not here for me. There's no need to actually try and get rid of a person because you feel guti law. They're going to take over whatever it is that I'm doing.